What's going on, YouTube family? Welcome back to JP Captured YouTube channel and another installation video. Check out all the clearance. Just need to get a tube bar and we'll be finished. Alrighty guys, so on the hit list today for the install is a set of Stedi LED reverse lights. This is a kit with everything you need inside this box, ready to change over the factory reverse lights for a set of powerful LED ones. Now, these are 1,000 luminums. That is a lot of power, guys, for an LED light. So that is going to shed a lot of reversing light, especially when you're out in the bush and you need to see what's around you. Pitch black, you can't see anything. This is going to be a complete change compared to these ones, which put out bugger all light in my opinion. These are also a 5,700 Kelvin pure white rating. So that is going to be a very crisp white light where you can see everything in high details, and they're under $100. So they make them for a bunch of different vehicles. This one here is for the MP300. Let's get stuck into it. Okay, so let's take a look what's actually inside the box. One globe, two globes. Foam housing around the globe itself to protect it, and that's them there. And that's the jumper, which will connect it up to the original plug. That's the cooling fins around the outside, and that's the actual LED globe right there. That's what works all the magic. So this is going to be a super simple installation, guys. Basically, we need to get this housing here out of the vehicle so that we can get to the reverse light globe, which is that bottom one down there, okay? So we need to get that halogen globe out of the way to make way for the Stedi globe, this one here, the LED replacement. Now there's just two 10mm bolts that need to be removed. And now the whole assembly will just pop out of the clips. There's two clips there. So basically we need to be removing this one down here, which is the reverse globe. So you just need to push down and twist, and that's going to now expose the factory reversing globe. Now you just need to twist that one out of there. So that's the factory globe now removed. Now the really cool thing about these Stedi reversing LED globes is basically they're just a press fit. They've got this rubber grommet around the outside. They're a 360 globe, so they've got one on top, one on each side. So no matter which way you put it into the housing, it's going to work. So you don't have to be too diligent about how you put it in. So simply just go ahead and plug that one back into the original spot. And then all you have to do now is press down on this, give it a little bit of a twist like that there. And it's now been pressed into the original location, and it's very firm and sturdy. It's not going anywhere. So all that's left to do is reassemble the light back into the car, making sure that you put the plug back in and the bolts, and then do the exact same process on the other side of the vehicle, and then you're ready to light up the night, guys. And we'll put it to the test in a second and do a bit of a comparison. I'm going to go ahead and do the other side of the vehicle now. Reverse. Bam, look at that. You can see absolutely everything. Let's drive forward a bit. See if it gets even more spread. Look how clear that is. I can see all the way back to the shed, and I'm right at the front of the driveway. That is just so much difference. Definitely worth the upgrade. Small price to pay for a hell of a lot of light.